Hello, welcome our gear research channel. Today in this video, we are going to show some of the best food processor blender combos that are best sold and reloaded in the last couple on Amazon. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product, check the links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1, Hamilton Beach Blender and Food Processor Combo. Based in America, Hamilton Beach was established in 1910 to manufacture both small home appliances and commercial-grade restaurant equipment for the US, Canada, and Mexico. Their Hamilton Beach Wave Crusher Blender offers the best features at an affordable price. The 700W multifunctional kitchen appliance offers a wide variety of options like blending, crushing ice, chopping, cutting, slicing, and shredding your favorite foods. It features a wave action technology that pulls the ingredients at the bottom continuously for smooth blending. Besides this, you get a 40-ounce large glass jar, a 20-ounce jar, and a 3-cup chopper along with the blender. Hence, you can use the processor for both multiple servings and single ones for just yourself. The smaller 20-ounce jar even comes with a lid to take your smoothie on the go. Rest assured that all the plastic accessories are BPA-free for safety and dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. Apart from this, the blender offers you 3 speeds and a pulse setting to give you more control while blending or chopping your favorite foods. The food processing bowl is equipped with an S-blade and a shredding and slicing disc. Bonus features include an easy-to-pour blender spout, a personal blender lid for transporting smoothies, and storage within the base for the cord. Dishwasher-safe parts make it easy to clean. Number 2, Sangcon 5-in-1 Blender and Food Processor Combo. The high-speed smoothie blender occupies the first spot on this 5 best food processor blender combo. Firstly, this product has a small bowl, lid, and removable blades of the chopper and is dishwasher safe. Similarly, the cup and blade are long-lasting, which will make you use them for a long period. On a similar note, add some form of liquid to your food item and don't use the product continuously for over 1 minute. Additionally, this device comes with a 4-type different cup for your meat, vegetables, and cheese because it speeds up your work in the kitchen. In addition, this machine comes with a 350-watt motor. You can pick 2 speeds according to how you want it. Above all, stainless steel makes it safe for a healthy life and has an overheat protection structure. Aside from these brands, Cuisinart is also a reliable brand in household and kitchen appliances, and this food processor blender combo is one of its superior products. With a 1-horsepower motor, about 750 watts, this machine can efficiently process the whole fruit thanks to its sharp blades made of stainless steel. You can even pre-program this product beforehand so that you can have more time for your cooking. Also, this Cuisinart BFP-650GM combo comes with 2 16-ounce travel cups so that you can bring your smoothies to every outdoor activity. And so that you can have more time for your cooking. Also, this Cuisinart BFP-650GM combo comes with 2 16-ounce travel cups so that you can bring your smoothies to every outdoor activity. Number 3, Goodful by Cuisinart BFP-700GF Food Processor. If your kitchen isn't large enough for other big-sized food processor blender combos, this Goodful by Cuisinart product should be your priority. With its lightweight and minimal design, this machine can blend perfectly with any kitchen. Though this appliance only has 3 speed settings, pulse, high, and low rotary, it can still complete any task you want, from chopping, slicing to blending, pureeing, even crushing ices. Also, with its non-slip base, you don't have to worry about food spilling over your kitchen counter when the machine's running. The user reviews are good about its blending capability and the results achieved using the prep accessories. One user had good results making smoothies, shredding cheese, chopping vegetables, making cauliflower rice, and cashew butter. Another user wrote about their experience using it. The 1500-watt motor is more than adequate for most users' needs, and the food prep accessories perform well for making cookie dough. Number 4, Cuisinart Elemental Small Food Processor. This food processor looks much like the original version that made food processors so popular in home kitchens, but now it's updated with a new chopping blade and a brushed stainless steel finish. The operation is simple, with a single lever to turn the machine on and a second lever for off-pulse functions. The bowl holds 14 cups, so it's large enough for family meals. It has dual feed tubes, so you can feed whole large vegetables in the large tube or stand thin foods, like carrots and celery, in the inner small tube, so they won't fall over during slicing. This includes a slicing disc and a shredding disc, which are all you'll really need. And 4 14-ounce lidded travel cups. Users can place each piece onto the jar base, which automatically powers the motor. 3 buttons with LED indicator lights control high, low, and pulse settings. A 350-watt motor and ultra-sharp stainless steel blades also accommodate ice crushing. Bonus features include slip-proof feet, internal cord storage, a safety lock, and an automatic stop element. The combination machine is dishwasher safe and features a complimentary recipe book. Number 5. Cuisinart DFP-14BCNY 14-cup food processor custom. Cuisinart has been a popular brand of food processors for generations, for good reason. They're sturdy kitchen workhorses. This is a basic model without the extras found on more expensive models, but it gets the job done with ease. It has 4 simple buttons for high, low, off, and pulse for perfect manual control for everything from chunky salsas to smooth purees. The bowl is 8 cups, and the work bowl has measurement markings, so it's easy to see if there's enough shredded cabbage for the slaw. The included shredding and slicing discs are reversible, saving storage space while offering more cutting options. For easy cleaning, all of the removable parts are dishwasher safe. While there are less expensive food processors on the market, this one offers processing power and size for family use. Like, comment and share. Please subscribe my channel. Check the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.